Welcome to the Junior Joules Lab.
Hey mini makers, ever wondered why a magnet sticks to a paper clip but not to a plastic dinosaur?
Interesting. Let's learn about magnets together. I am Professor Paul. Today we will explore the world of magnets. Why do magnets stick? Before we dive deep into how magnets work, let's start with something simpler. Let's understand the basics of a magnet.
Magnet comes in different shapes: horseshoe, bar, ring, spherical, etc. And despite different shapes, each magnet has two poles: North Pole, usually represented with red color, and South Pole, usually represented with blue color. Every magnet has magnetic field lines, always flowing from the North Pole to the South Pole. Think of it like invisible force wrapping around magnets. This force attracts to only some metals like iron, nickel and cobalt, but not others such as plastic or wood. As paper clip is made of iron and dinosaur is made of plastic, that's why magnets stick to paper clips but not to dinosaur tie.
Let's find some objects around us that get attracted to magnets. Look, I found a ruler and some batteries. These objects which get attracted to magnets are called magnetic objects. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and collect some magnetic objects. Perfect! How do magnets interact? Okay, mini makers, let's see what happens when two magnets meet. Will they become best friends? Not always.
Let's understand this through a small experiment. Watch what happens when we bring two opposite poles close, north to south. They stick. Isn't that cool? In the world of magnets, opposites attract. But what if we flip one around? South close to south. Guess what will happen? Yeah, you are right. They push each other away. They repel.
Magnets around us.
Magnets are everywhere. They hold your drawings on the fridge, make sounds in speakers, store data on credit cards, help motor spin in fans, and even guide parts inside your mobile phones. Magnets make everyday gadgets work like magic.
Hey, do you know that Earth we live in is a giant magnet? Let's find out why.
Deep beneath our feet, Earth has molten iron core which is constantly moving. And when charged particles move, they create a magnetic field, turning our planet into a massive natural magnet. These magnetic fields flow from magnetic north all the way to the magnetic south. And these invisible magnetic field is exactly what makes a compass work. The needle lines up with Earth's magnetic field, always pointing towards geographic north. For centuries, and even today, sailors have relied on this simple but powerful tool to find the right direction.
Playtime. Hey mini makers, let's try a cool trick with magnets.
For that, let's take a close look at this setup. A lightweight toy car, two strong magnets and some double-sided tape. First, stick one magnet to the back of the car using double-sided tape. Then, hold the second magnet in your hand such that same poles of two magnets face each other. Now, slowly bring it close and watch. Without even touching it, the car moves forward, thanks to magnetic repulsion. And guess what? You can try this simple experiment at home too. Just grab a toy car and magnets and start exploring the magic.
Let's meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, keep your whiskers twitching and your brains itching. For more such amazing content, please like, share and subscribe.